夠㗎
有
啦。
話3隻嘅。
咪3隻咯。
哦，3隻啊。
入邊有一個嘛。
Three cats are there.
So you would take them with you?
Yeah, we take them. 係咪仔啊定女啊？
我唔知啊。
係咩？心你睇下仔定女啊？
我唔知啊，我唔識分嗰啲嘢。
哦，very friendly 啊。
So what the man can't keep them?
Yeah, he said no, he doesn't want to keep because too many cats. Yeah, he will, if we don't take them, he will give to somebody, but they don't possess them. Yeah. And he said, oh, I don't have so much food for them. You better take them away. But he said he asked us to take the mother to possess. But the mother is gone.
Oh, she's not here.
So I will put a cage here.
一陣間有咩啊？運到正話差唔多1點鐘嗰陣時走得咗。
哦，使唔使咪攞個飛機籠嚟啊？攞個飛機籠拎擺低隻貓啊？
咁你運到耐佢唔得㗎喎，貓。
唔緊要，人都得啦。你哋食咗嘢未啊？
呢個正話食咗，貓仔正話食咗。
食咗啦。
琴日嗰個咩啊？我琴日晚食咗飯，食到夜嗰貓乸食咗嘢到家陣，我冇食過嘢。
哦，你而家養即係一隻，淨係養翻媽咪咯，嗬？
係咯係咯。
咁個貓乸我哋幫你攞去做豬肉咯。誒，你幫佢擺啊嚇。誒，得。